At NEFAB, we have over 75 years of experience in making advanced packaging solutions and services in sectors like e-mobility, healthcare, datacom, energy, to name but a few. We have a global network of more than 250 packaging professionals located in more than 30 locations all over the world. This ensures that you always have a packaging engineer available that knows your industry and that has the right competence, be it corrugated cardboard, steel, plywood, plastics, EVA, testing and many, many more. Our packaging engineers, they are trained to follow the design principles and they use a tool called GreenCalc so that we can make financial savings achievable and sustainability measurable. So we can truly say that NEFAB stands at the forefront of packaging design and services, and we are looking forward to explore your packaging needs with you.